fair summary of things to come. There are exceptions. I'll talk you through those in just a moment. At least the visibility problems we've had in the Midlands, parts of East Anglia are starting to improve, looking better in Birmingham than it did an hour or so ago, but the fog just lifting into low clouds. It stays rather grey throughout. It is damp though in eastern Scotland into northeast England. We also have some patchy rain around the Bristol Channel. These are the exceptions. We have some sunshine into western Scotland, but it will stay dull and damp throughout across eastern Scotland into northeast England. The cloud increasing across Yorkshire, where we've had some brightness so far, and gradually increasing in northwest England, where we still have some sunny spells. Maybe the odd brighter break in East Anglia, but through the Midlands into East Anglia, a lot of cloud, and indeed for southeast England, so count yourself lucky if you get to see any sunshine. 10 to 12 degrees though, so it's not too bad out there. And in the far southwest, we'll continue with some sunny spells in Cornwall. They're welcome after recent days, but thicker cloud giving patchy rain around the Bristol Channel into southern counties of Wales, not amounting to very much. And in northwest Wales, there is some sunshine. A lot of cloud in Northern Ireland. It may thin at times, just 7 or 8 degrees for your top temperature. Now, some football this afternoon, and you can count on the cloud being with us for this selection of English Premier League games. Your temperatures in single figures, and coverage of these games can be found on 5 Live. And it's a busy afternoon of rugby union internationals, and whilst most will be dry, we can expect some patchy rain at times coming through to Murrayfield, Edinburgh for the Scotland-South Africa game. And there are various ways to get coverage of these: BBC One, BBC Two and BBC Three. Now on through this evening and overnight, we'll take this area of patchy rain and push it west across northern England, parts of the Midlands and into Wales. Again, not amounting to very much, but there may be some heavier bursts near this North Sea coast. To the south will be largely dry and cloudy. For Northern Ireland, some clear spells, but particularly into Scotland, and with some clear spells, temperatures drop close to freezing for a touch of frost. On to Sunday morning then, and again there'll be a lot of cloud around. The cloud thick enough at times in England and Wales for the odd spot of rain, but more especially again near this North Sea coast. We may pep up again later in the day. Some brightness perhaps the further south you are, but more especially into Northern Ireland and Scotland. Despite that though, temperatures generally a degree or so down compared with today, and a slightly fresher northeasterly breeze. Still nothing compared with how things will feel though later next week. It really will feel like winter has come early. More detail